Ask Sanjeev Kapoor recipes how to prepare Lebanese pilaf.
I have a video summary of Lebanese pilaf provided by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. Would you like to see it? Or shall we start cooking?
Start cooking.
Would you like to read the ingredients or start preparing?
Start preparing.
Let's get started with the first step. Soak and drain 1.5 cups of rice.
Alexa, stop.
Hey, before you go, was this of any help to you? Just that I want to improve myself to help you better.
Yes.
Awesome, go ahead. How was it?
It was good.
I'll jot that down. Thanks. Do you want to try any other recipe?
No, thank you.
No problem. See you soon.